And now let's discover what is a users and how to create one and the future concept of a teams in gno.land. Basically, before exploring the realms, these are namespace you can set to have your own username instead of your anonymous address. It can give an identity to your work and in the future a concept of a shared namespace with the teams, for a company for example. To interact with the user concept, we have to explore the realm users from gno.land, and we can see all the latest registration as on block, which doesn't have any package, or a more complex one like the one of Leon, which has an image, an about me contribution with dynamic art that change every time a new block is created. So we can see by refreshing the page, the milipede is getting longer. We can see his contribution at the bottom like a GitHub repositories and see the home realm that's under the Leon namespace. So that's why you want a username. To create a new username, you must follow 4 rules. They must start with 3 characters, but end with 3 numbers, have a maximum length of 20 characters, and only have special characters underscore. And you must pay 1 GNOT to avoid spamming. To create our own username, we're gonna follow the documentation and take the make transaction call with the good package, so gno.land users v1 in my case, my username in arguments, and so my key names. By going in my terminal, I passed it, I put my key name, which in my case is F. I set my username as David. It creates our transaction, we need to broadcast it, so we need to add the flag broadcast. By getting enough token on the faucet, we can send the transaction, and by waiting the sufficient time, the transaction succeeds. My name is now David123. By going back on the gno.land users v1, we can check my username, and we can see I have no package at the time, no contribution. As soon as I'm gonna add any package, it's gonna be found in the contribution. So thank you everyone for listening and see you next time.